Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nivedita. Today I am super excited to share my learning experience with Digital Scholar. Digital Scholar is one of the agency style digital marketing institute in India. I have joined there in online digital marketing course. It's a 4-month program. They are conducting both online and offline batches also. In that first orientation classes was taken by Sarov sir. He explained with us what are all the importance of digital marketing in today's world, what is the future of digital marketing in every business, why we need digital marketing, these kind of things he explained. He explained Instagram growth marketing also. Instagram growth marketing class taken by Sarov sir and Tanisha ma'am. Tanisha ma'am explained us what are all the basic things we have to do in Instagram to optimize our profile, to get more followers, to get more views, kind of things she explained us. Rishi sir taken social media marketing classes. He taught us how to create a Facebook account, how to create business page in Facebook, how to create a business manager account, what is the uses of business manager account, and how to run a ads, what are all the different type of Facebook ads are there, and how to run a ad. And Facebook ads, they ask us to run as a campaign. We run campaign, Facebook campaign. Their budget, they are providing the budget to run an ad for us. They are reimbursed the amount to us. After that, SEO classes are taken by Karthik sir. Karthik sir explained it each and everything. Inside the class itself, we have created our own website. We host our website, and SEO also he has taken. SEO classes, what are all the basic needs of SEO, what are all the different types of SEO. For SEO, what are all the things needs to be done. Now I have the confidence that I can do a SEO for any kind of website. Like that much of confidence I have. LinkedIn also, how to optimize our profile, how to search for a job, how to get a freelancing client from abroad. Freelancing classes also they have taken. How to do the freelancing job, what are all the websites are there, and how to create a client from abroad as well as the local. These kind of things is they taught us. After that, Google Ads, they have taken nearly 6 to 7 classes. All the classes are very informative. Inside the class, they have segregated us into a groups, and they make us to create our own ads. I have run an ad for my own website. Uh, they are giving practical experience of each and every topic. Landing pages, automation, I have done automation, I have created my own website, I had run ad. Everything they are explained it in a practical manner. Every week they used to give us the assignments as a practical, what are all that they have taught in the weekend classes, they ask us to do the assignments in the weekdays. We used to do that. So we have the confidence that I can work individually. If I go for any job, or if I want to create my own business, they gave us the confidence that I can do individually without any help. I can manage my own ads, I can manage my own website. All the that much of confidence they used to give us. So we have the confidence to for interviews also. They are giving us separate placement orientation program, placement classes. In that placement classes, how to prepare a resume, how to prepare a video resume, how to present, how to uh, communicate with the interviewer, how to answer their questions, all the training they are used to give us. So which is very very useful. If you want to dive into the world of digital marketing, please prefer and join in Digital Scholar. Let me know if you have any queries. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.